Determine whether you have a wide or narrow push-button wiper arm by measuring it with a penny. A penny will fit snugly into the end of the wide 22mm wiper arm. It will not fit into the end of the narrow 19mm arm. With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with Adaptor BC. Identify the release tab for the pre-attached adapter. Press the tab down with your thumb while pushing the pre-attached adapter back toward the release tab. The adapter will disengage from the blade. Discard it. Locate Adaptor BC. Lower Adaptor BC into the cavity in the top of the blade. Slide Adaptor BC in the opposite direction of the release tab until it clicks in place. Adaptor BC must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. Press the tab on the front of Adaptor B. Lift shim C off of Adaptor B and discard it. While keeping the adapter parallel to the arm, hold your thumb on the front of the adapter and pull the blade into the underside of the arm. The button on the top of the adapter must lock into the hole in the top of the arm. Before use, make sure the wiper blade and adapter are locked onto the wiper arm.